Hello, boys and girls. This week we are going to talk about my room. This is my house. Would you like to see my room? Let's see. This is my room. Listen and repeat after me. Door, door. Window, window. Rug, rug. Bed, bed. Bookcase, bookcase. Lamp, lamp. Toy box, toy box. Let's practice. Point to the picture you hear. Lamp, lamp. Great! Lamp. Window, window. Great! Window. Door, door. Great! Door. Rug, rug. Great! Rug. Bed, bed. Great! Bed. Bookcase, bookcase. Great! Bookcase. Toy box, toy box. Great! Toy box. Great job! Bye-bye!